Now, if you haven't gone through the instant authority method, you really need to. It's a great way for you to learn how to build some credibility, be known in your niche. You can use it in so many different ways. Let me see if I can open. Yes, I want to save that. See if I can open. Yeah, here it is. Good. How this all works. There we go. Now we can actually see it. Okay, so the premise behind this is basically doing interviews with famous people in your niche, okay? Now, the way you do this is you build a squeeze page that offers the interviews for free. And then once someone signs up on your squeeze page, you need to take them to some kind of offer where you make money. So this would be kind of like your upsell, okay? And then they get on your list, which is this thing down here. And then every time you put a new email in, you email this list. Now, every interview, you're also going to promote this person's product too. So you're going to make money in multiple ways here. You're going to make money here on the upsell, and then everybody who listens to your interviews, stuff like that, is all going to be done here, okay? Now, I'm going to be doing this with my grillingthefamous.com site. So the first thing I need to do is set up the squeeze page for it. Actually get the domain name live and all that fun stuff. I don't even know if I have this domain name live anymore. It's been so long since I've worked on this project. I got it started and never implemented it, of course. I'm sure you guys can relate with that. Hopefully I even still have the domain name, grillingthefamous.com. Let me log into my account here. So let's search contains famous. Grillingthefamous.com. Let's do our name servers. You guys have seen me do this a couple of times. I am going to hook this up to my hosting. So ns1.lizrulestheweb.com, ns2.lizrulestheweb.com. Click OK. We're going to save that. Now I've got to go and actually put it on my hosting. So you guys might hear like helicopter sounds going on. It's funny because the other day I recommended on Facebook that Chattanooga have helicopter tours and a water taxi. And since I've said that, I've been seeing this helicopter all over town. I hope somebody took my advice. Hopefully they'll if they cash in with it, they'll come thank me with a great big check. Probably not, but we can hope, right? All right, so let's create a new account. We're doing grillingthefamous.com. So bingo. Let's see. Let's do Bob 123. Bob 123. Throw an email address in there. I don't have to choose a package on mine. I don't have it set up that way, so I just throw stuff in there. Okay, now like I do with every domain name I set up, I'm going to create a new folder. And I'm going to name it with my domain name. So grillingthefamous.com. Guys, this is my system for setting up every single time, and you should do the same thing, just so you can keep track of everything. So I'm going to grab all of this, copy, paste that in there. I'm going to do File, Save As, go to my desktop, Grilling the Famous, and we're going to save this as hosting info. So now that information is saved. So now when I go to grilling, keep calling it girling, grillingthefamous.com. There we go. I'm now live and online. So to set all of this up, I'm definitely going to use a WordPress blog. So I'm going to go into my cpanel.grillingthefamous.com. And then my hosting info here, username, Bob123. We're going to log in. I'm going to use this Softaculous app installer, even though WordPress is not an app. I don't know why they call it an app installer. Alright, so now we're going to install this. I don't want to put it in a directory, I want to put it on the main site. I'm going to call this grilling. Why do I keep doing that? Grillingthefamous.com. Interviews with famous online marketers. Do this one, Bob123 also. Change this. I always do the limit login attempts. I'm not going to install any themes because I'm going to use Profits theme for this. There we go. So I have all that information now. This would be something good to add to your hosting thing too. So username is Liz Tomey, Bob123. Okay. Let's save that. Now is what I want to do is, since I'm going to be using Profits theme, I've got to upload it via FTP because it's so big. So we're going to do new FTP site, grillingthefamous.com, www.grillingthefamous.com, username, password. Now I can connect. Go into public_HTML, WP-content, themes, and now I gotta find where my Profits theme is. Might have to just log in. Let's go down here.
In this video, I'm going to show you how easy and quick it is to use Profits theme.
Alright, so I'm going to download it. Now this takes a little while to download and upload, but that's okay. Well, it didn't take very long to download at all today. So let's unzip this. It's taking longer to unzip than it did to download. This thing's huge. That's why you've got to upload it instead of using your little WordPress thing, where you can upload themes via WordPress, but this one's just too big for it. There's Profits theme. So we want to take this whole folder. I'm going to drag and drop it into here. While it's uploading, I'll be able to see it uploading right here. While it's doing its uploading thing, I'm going to log in and get everything all nice and set up and ready for it. So the first thing I always do is go to Pages, and we need to delete this sample page. This is your standard stuff you do when you set up WordPress for the first time. And then Post. And I hate having things in my trash, so this is just me being OCD and having to delete it permanently from everything. Go to Settings. I'm going to do Permalinks. And I'm just going to do it with post name. Save changes. Alright, so now when I make a post in here, it'll be girlingthefamous.com/sample post. Now, let's go dashboard. And I think that's all I do there. Let's see where we're at with this. It's still got a ways to go. I think it's like 20 something megs. Yeah, 28.7 megs. Come on, Profits theme. While it's doing that, I'm going to stop sharing my screen for a minute, and I'm going to get my Profits theme key. I'm actually going to stop the video too. Alright, so all I did was the theme finished uploading. I went to, where is it? Appearance, Themes. You select Profits theme, click Activate, and then you'll need to put in your key, and it'll take you to that page I was just on, which is this page, okay? Now, for this tactic, you don't have to do any of this stuff. I'm going to go here to Site Options. And I'm just going to kind of go through a couple of these little things here. 2015. Check this box to remove link back to our site. Don't want to do that. I could put in my Profits theme affiliate link if I wanted to, but I don't like to do that. Pop in, header, opt in. Okay, all that's great. So what we need to do is we need to add new page. We need to create the front page, which is the squeeze page. So I'll do this as home. And then for the default template, I'm just going to pick landing page. And then down here are all your things for using the landing page. I'm not going to mess with any of that stuff because I'm just going to quickly show you guys how to set this up so you know how it sets up. I'm not going to write the copy and all that fun stuff. So if we look at our page right now, this is what we have, okay? Just the simple squeeze page. So I'm going to go here to Appearance, Settings, Reading. And we're going to set the front page displays our home page, okay? So save changes. So looking at this now, the next thing we're going to need is this upsell page. So we're going to go back to Pages, and I'll show you guys a really cool little shortcut here. If you go to Profits theme, start here, Page Generator, we're going to generate a sales page. I'm just going to call this Special Offer. Copy. Special offer, don't allow comments. We're going to put it as published. Maybe. Update. There we go. So now, if we view this page, we have our special offer page. Of course, you need to create your own kind of special offer. So when people hit the home page, they can sign up. Once they sign up, and you'll have to set all this up in your autoresponder, they're going to be taken to the special offer page. Okay? Now, in order to get affiliates to promote this, you're going to need to set this up within JVZoo. So we're going to go to jvzoo.com. Let's log in. And I'm going to do seller's dashboard, add a product. It's going to be called grillingthefamous.com. Okay, so product price, we'll put it as $1. It's free, so it's not going to charge them anything, so you're not going to be paying affiliates anything, okay? I'll set this as 100% commissions. Support email address, support URL. Send all traffic to sales page after launch. So sales page URL is actually going to be your squeeze page, okay? So we're going to put our squeeze page. Thank you page. Doesn't matter really what you put here, but you can go ahead and throw your special offer page in here because this has nothing to do with how anything works. You've just got to set it up this way so that when your affiliates send traffic here, that they're paid on your special offer, okay? So I'm going to leave that at manual approval. And we're going to do this one as, what did we call? Let's do settings, general. Interviews with famous online marketers. Here we go. So I'm just going to put that in there. Primary category, internet marketing general. Oh, where'd it go? There we go. General. Come down here. Keywords, blah, 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 blah. Get response. You don't have to set this up in here because this isn't, they're not buying anything, so they're not going to be added to your list anyway, okay? So I'm just going to click Save Product. Now, for the special offer page, we've also got to generate a download page, okay? So I'm going to do Add New. I'm going to call this Special Offer DL and some letters behind it, okay? Just makes it harder for people to guess. Default template. I'm going to just do it as a landing page for now. Click Publish. And now we have our download page for our special offer page. So come here, subscribe, end up here. If they buy from here, they're taken to the download page. So now you want to go back into JVZoo. We're going to add another product. And we're going to call this grillingthefamous.com special offer. And you want to keep this at a low price point, okay? I would say, $10 to $17. I'm going to put this at let's do $9.95. $9.95. Commission. I'm going to pay 100% commission. This is very important. You want to make sure that you're giving your affiliates 100% commission on this, okay? So add support, Liz Live, sales page URL. That's going to be my sales page URL. Place that right in there. Thank you page is our download page. So we're going to get this page that'll actually have our downloads on it when we launch it. Going to give them 30 days. Manual approval. I'm going to make my product eligible for, or make my product eligible for product of the day. That's fine. I'm going to do this one as special coaching offer from grillingthefamous.com. Okay. Again, I'm going to just do internet marketing general. Now, this time I do want to put the buyers on a different list, okay? I'll have a free list for everybody that comes here and just wants to get access to the interviews. But now I'm going to have a customer list that's going to, this will collect all the names of my customers, okay? So I'm going to do create new list, C _ grilling famous customers. And I'm just going to click Save Product. Uh-oh, what did I do? Minimum price is 50 cents. Well, I have it set to $9.95. Let's see if that works. Maybe you're not supposed to put the $sign in. Oh, it's going to be one of those days. So $9.95, I think that's what it was. Okay, do I have this still selected? Yes. Save product. Alright, so I want to do this to where Grilling the Famous special offer. So now you want to go to Sellers, and we're going to do Sales Funnels. We're going to do Add a Sales Funnel. It's going to be, oops, caps lock. grillingthefamous.com. Save sales funnel name. So we're going to pick our grillingthefamous.com, okay? That's the squeeze page. That's going to be the front of it, okay? Now, when people come here and they opt in, your autoresponder will automatically take them to the upsell. JVZoo has no part in this. You're just setting up the funnel so that it drops the cookie on them opting in, okay? So then we're going to go to special offer, click add, proceed, and then you'll get your buy button. So buy buttons from here. So if I wanted to go to my special offer page, edit page, come down here to the bottom, I'm going to get rid of that, go into text, only one-time payment, we're going to put it right here. So we click update. Now that is on our page, okay? Now when you give affiliates their links, you're going to come back in here, so Seller's Dashboard. Well, that sucks. It created two of these Grilling the Famous special offer. Now we got to figure out which one is in our JVs. No, let's do sales funnel. Sometimes JVZoo and I just don't jive. Okay, I think if I look at the buy button, I can tell what product this is. This would be 166. Okay, let's look here. I think it's a 605. Yeah, so 607. And guys, the way I'm seeing this, if I look down in the left-hand corner of my screen, I can tell the product number. So it's this one that I need to delete. So we're going to edit this, and we're going to do archive, yes. It just created 2 of them. I guess with all the issues I was having, it decided that it was going to create 2 of them. So let's launch product ID, Grilling the Famous. 3. Okay. So when you give your affiliates the link to get this is going to be affiliate details page for the front end, not the special offer, okay? Because when they get their link, so this would be their link, and they send people to it, the cookie is dropped right here on the squeeze page. So when somebody puts their name and email address in, you'll set this up in your autoresponder. I'll go ahead and do that too. You're going to set this up in your autoresponder. The cookie is dropped here, and then they're automatically redirected to your special offer page. And if they buy here, that's how the affiliate gets paid. Randall, did you just see all that and what I did, and do you understand that? Abby. Sorry guys, I've got a dog up here. It's snoring her butt off. Okay, so that all makes sense, Randall? He's saying yes. Good, 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 good. Anybody else have questions about what I just went over here and how that works? Richard says clear as mud. Okay, well you gotta be a little bit more specific with questions. Okay, so I have this, all this is fine. I'm going to leave JVZoo up this page specifically because I'm going to need that. So if we go back into our dashboard here, Pam saying explain again about the affiliates links. Okay, Pam, just give me 1 second. I'm going to cover that again. All right, so let me get all of our pages back up here. So copy. Let's do another page. Abby. This dog will not quit snoring. All right, so affiliates are going to get their affiliate link from here. This affiliate link is going to lead their lead to the squeeze page. The cookie is dropped there so that any sales that comes from that affiliate's lead, they're going to get paid on. Your autoresponder, which is what we're getting ready to do, once they opt in here, is automatically going to redirect them from here. Cookie is still in their cache, okay? So if their lead buys here from our order button, your affiliate's going to get paid for that. So you're going to need, when you start handing out the affiliate link, the affiliate details page for this, you're going to need to send them the affiliate details page for the squeeze page. They're automatically going to get paid for the special offer because it's in our funnel, okay? We've already created a funnel here. All right, so we've got the squeeze page, special offer. Let's go into our autoresponder. I'm going to do this inside GetResponse. So getresponse.com. Going to log in here. Can you guys hear the dog snoring? Any of you hear the dog snoring? Everybody's saying yes. Wonderful. Abby is now famous. Okay, so we're going to go here and we're going to do create campaign. Campaign name. I'm going to call this Grilling the famous. So create campaign. Abigail. Sorry, guys. She's asleep and will not move. Okay, so we're going to do edit campaign settings first, because I don't want these people to have to confirm, opt in. So permission, enable, confirm, opt in. I'm going to take all those off. So that's all done. I'm going to do web forms, create new. And it doesn't matter what this looks like, so I'm just going to click next step. Custom thank you page. This is where we're going to put in our special offer page. So I'm going to put that right there. Next step, we need the HTML code. So I'm going to copy all this. So select all, copy. We're going to edit this page now. And using Profits theme, you just come down here to the opt-in form. And you just paste your autoresponder code right in there. Okay. Now we're going to click Update. And of course, you know, I'll want to have a headline here. Ooey gooey guru secrets. Just doing this to give you guys a little bit more of a better example here. And then this will be my copy to entice people to sign up. So let's update. Now let's view the page as soon as it loads. There we go. So Ooey Gooey Guru Secrets. This is your copy that makes people sign up. They come here. Use one of my spam emails. Get instant access. Bam, taken to the sales page. So if I am an affiliate and I get my link and I send my traffic to my affiliate link, we'll run through this again. So let's say this is my affiliate link. And my lead comes here, puts in her name and email address, clicks Get Instant Access. Then she's like, oh, what is this all about? Ooh, this sounds good. Let me buy this now. And once she buys, my affiliate will get 100% commissions on this product. Pam, anybody else who had questions about that? Does that make more sense now? And Randall's asking, can you stop them from just promoting the upsell product? I don't think there is a way to stop them from just promoting the upsell product. I think you can hide it in the marketplace, Randall, so they can't find it in the marketplace. I think. But I'm not, don't quote me there. And Jackie's saying, what type of dog? She is a pit bull mix mutt thing. Pam saying it does make sense. Richard's saying, but why would the affiliate drive traffic to your squeeze page when they don't get paid for that? Because they're getting paid for the upsell. Now, of course, you'll want to make it way sexier because most affiliates won't do this, but a lot of affiliates will do this, okay? Your A game players probably not, but your B level, C level marketers might do this for you. People that you've built relationships might do this for you. Like if you do it to where you're doing like promo swaps with people and stuff like that, that would really work. And Richard, if you watch the Instant Authority method, I talk about that. All right, so now the next page you'll want to create in all of this is an affiliate tools page. I believe Profit's Theme has a generator for that too. Let's see. Affiliate tools page. So generate page. Let's do quick edit. We're just going to call this affiliate tools and publish this. So like I said, this is just a template, okay? You'll need to fill in all your information, but you will take this link. If we go back to our dashboard, we go to grillingthefamous.com, affiliate details page. This is the link that you're going to put on the page, on your affiliate tools page, so they can get their affiliate link. So if we edit this up here, let's do visual affiliate payout information. We look, by the way, pay them instant commissions, blah, 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 blah. So all this verbiage would go, but you could put right here, get your affiliate link at, and you would put that in there. I want that clickable, of course. And like I said, guys, you wouldn't leave these pages, of course, like they are. You would put your affiliate tools on it, all your information about it, stuff like that. By having contests and stuff like that, you'll also get a lot more affiliates promoting for you. So now if we look at this, view page, we have an affiliate tools page also now. So we have, let's go back to pages, our front page, our upsell, the download page for our upsell, and then, oh, wait, squeeze page, upsell, download for the upsell, and the affiliate tools page. Now, other pages you'll create in here are, of course, the interview pages. In those, we can get rid of that now too. We can get rid of that. So let's go into grillingthefamous.com/WP-admin. So let's say I've done my first interview now. I need to create a page that I can send my list to. And let's say, who do I want to interview? Joel Comm. Love Joel. Joel Comm, interview. Now, as far as the template and stuff, you can do whatever you want. I'm just going to do a membership module. Actually, membership content. And if we click publish, view page, now of course we don't want all these pages listed here, but Joel Comm interview, and then you could put in all the interview information for this. Something else, need to make this a little prettier. Profit's Theme has some built-in templates. I'm going to do design options. I'm going to do membership design because I'm using one of the membership templates. Just because I'm not doing this as a membership site. I'm not making them sign up for username and password and all that. You could, but I'm not going to. But I am using the template for the membership site. So I'm going to do this. So we're going to do, which one do we want to do here? What do I want to use? We'll use Kevlar. Select skin, Select color. I'm going to go with green. And if I want my sidebar on the left-hand side instead of the right, I can do that right here. Interviews. Interview. Listing. I can change any of this I want. I don't want to display the logo. And I want to have a smaller header. So if I click Save Changes, there, I just totally changed everything right there, okay? As far as changing the menu, where are menus? Appearance, menus. All right, I think we have to hide the pages actually for them not to show in here. Let's do. I know there's a plugin for it. I just got to remember the name of the plugin. So let's go to plugins, add new. And we're going to do hide pages in menu. Admin. Include X. Is this it? Let's install it and see. If it's not it, it's really easy to uninstall. So if we go to pages, we do all pages, and I want to edit this. I don't think, is this the one? Let's see. No, because it's supposed to. That's not the plugin I was looking for. Let's see, plugins, installed plugins. Let's deactivate and delete it. Let's do add new. Exclude pages. Thank you. Exclude pages. So this is it. I do believe. So we go back to pages. Let's try this one more time. And let's edit this page because we don't want it to be shown on that menu. There we go. Include this page in list of pages. Do not want to do that. So if I click update, and I go back here, that home page should not show. Let's find out why. Let's see. I did not include it in list of pages. I clicked update. I may need to do a hard refresh. Let's do function F5. It's still showing it. I wonder why it's still showing it. Yeah, Randall's saying homepage may always show, but it shouldn't. Randall is also asking, where did you get that link to add to the affiliate tools page? Inside your JVZoo account, where you create your squeeze page account, there's it'll say affiliate details page. That's where I got it from. I'll show you one more time in just a second, Randall. Alright, so why is it not doing that? Let's go to all pages. And let's do edit. Include in list of pages. Let's click update. It's still doing it. Alright, I might be able to do the... Yeah, I might be able to... Let's go... Alright guys, I'm going to get rid of some of this stuff so I can quit being so clicky on all the pages. Joel.com interview. I might have to add... Let's do add new page. No, that's not going to work either. Alright, so let's go to appearance, menus, interview, menu. It's going to do create menu. And we're just going to put Joel.com on here, so save menu. Oh, Joel.com. There we go. Now save menu. And then if we go to appearance widgets, membership, where's the custom menu? Custom menu, select menu, save. Yeah, okay, something's not right. I've never had this issue before. So all pages. Let's do add new. And then we're going to do, actually, let's go to Profits Theme, Page Generator. This is what we're going to do. We're going to do membership pages, create a new member welcome page. So generate pages, quick edit, call this interview hub. Control V, published, click update. Okay, so interview hub, I'm going to come here and do quick edit. Parent, we're going to do interview hub. Update. Now let's see if it did it. So, okay, so it's just listing Joel.com interview. Okay, now we're cooking with bacon. We're cooking with gas. I need to get this custom menu off of here. That'll save it. So this is the interview hub. Got rid of that. So interview listings, JoelComm interview. Cool. All right, so you do have to create that member homepage first if you're going to be using this the way that I'm showing you to use it here. I was going to have a welcome page anyway. I just did it backwards. So sorry guys. So you have to create that homepage template, and then you can create your interview pages. But the whole premise behind this was just having a link that you can send to people. So this is the link that I would now email to my list anytime I have an interview. Now, when you're doing this, you need to make sure that you have emails that are in your funnel all ready to go. So, of course, email 1, welcome email. Email 2, like, know, and trust email. Now, you need to have several of these like, know, and trust emails. You need to be giving these people some really, really good stuff that's related to your niche, okay? Now, you're a nobody, and nobody knows who you are, so you probably don't have your own products, your own services, stuff like that. So you want to find things that you can give to these people. You can go to the people that you're doing interviews with and ask them for stuff, whatever it may be, okay? Then, each time you do an interview, you're going to add the interview to your autoresponder sequence. So my first one would be JoelComm interview. And I would send people to this link. And so maybe email 7 would be, who else do I want to interview? Let's go to Facebook. Who on Facebook do I want to interview? You guys have any suggestions? There's one, John Reese. So I'm going to go back here to my pages, and I'm going to add new. And as far as parent, we got to select the parent as Interview Hub. And I'm going to do this as membership module. And we're going to do John Reese. It is John Reese with a, yes, known him forever. John Reese interview. And we're going to click publish. So now when we go to our hub thing here, we should have JoelComm interview, John Reese interview. So then when I add this to my autoresponder sequence, I'm going to send people, John Reese interview, to this page. And so on and so forth. You're just going to keep adding people to this, okay? Richard St. John Thornhill, Dave Nicholson, Omar, Melinda. I do need to add Omar. I've got a whole list of people I want to. Omar and Melinda are like my best friends in the business. Omar and Melinda Martin, Jeff Diedrich, Mike Stoop, all those guys I'm really, really, really close with, like personal friends type thing. So those guys definitely would want to. All right, so any questions? Richard says, Jeff's still around? Yes, he is. He's just doing different stuff. Any questions about what I've covered here, guys?